So guys, it's time for unboxing my new iPhone. Okay, so I'll be just using this. Okay, I was pretty excited about iPhone 17. Last I was using iPhone 12 and I was very much curious to use the new one. I had ordered. I was a bit late on pre-order sales, and then it was showing that I'll be receiving in the month of October, mid-October somewhere. But fortunately, they made it quickly, and I received it today. Yeah, and okay, you can see I bought the orange color one. So this one is iPhone 17, 256 GB. Yeah, this is iPhone Pro Max, 256 GB. Okay, so let me open it. Wow. Okay, now it's time for this one. Okay, wow, cool. Now it's time to unleash the beast. Okay, so as you can see, right, so what I get is this cable, and then here's a SIM slot pin, which is usually we get, and this cable has a nylon covering which is type C cable. Okay, I'll just keep it aside. I'll just keep my box aside, and you can see the iPhone, right? I haven't brought any back cover or the temper glass, so maybe in future I'll do it. So in the meantime, okay, yeah, so this is how the phone looks like, guys. You can see 3 cameras at the back. You can see the new design. This is the flash, and I think this is for telephotography. I don't know that much. So you can see the last I was using is iPhone 12. Yeah, I was using iPhone 12. From iPhone 12 I moved to iPhone 17. Yeah, so this is the upgrade I did, iPhone 12 to iPhone 17 Pro Max, 256 GB. So I'll be using it, and I'll show you guys the features, and I'll let you know my experience. So yeah, I'm just starting it, so stay tuned, guys. So you guys can see the phone has just got started and can read hola, sao, wow. Okay, I'll just do a few things. Select your country and region. Okay, or maybe safety handling. Okay, is United States. No, I won't choose the United States because I'm from Singapore. So I just selected Singapore. It's setting the language. Okay, I'll keep default. Setup for nearby devices. Fuck shit. So yeah, data setup is happening right now. Yeah, it's transferring data right now from my old iPhone to the new one. Yeah, okay, so as you can see, the restore has been completed, and let me continue. Okay, it's iOS 26, and it's showing me some features that are included in newly added in iOS 26. Okay, welcome, get started. Okay, so now my phone is ready to use. Okay, I'll continue this one as well. So as you can see that some of the apps will be installing as my now my Wi-Fi has been connected automatically after the data transfer, and the apps will be installed very soon. Okay, it's asking whether to erase this iPhone or what. I'll say no, not now. But okay, I'll keep it a bit apart so that this won't happen again. But you can see the major update I got from iPhone 12 to iPhone 17 Pro Max is, you can see this lining, right? So this is a design change, and the back as well, you can see there's a design change. Apart from this, okay, let me open the camera of both the phone. Okay, choose the style, use the standard style. So you can see I'm in the photo right now. Camera app design has also changed a bit. Okay, I'll just okay. So as you can see, in iPhone 12 I had maximum 5x, and in 5x also it never used never used to look good. Around in 2 or 2 to 2.5x it used to give me an average quality of photo. But as you can see, in this iPhone 17 by default they have until 8, but I can make it maximum to 40x. So I'll be using this feature. I'll take the photos, and I'll be sharing a new video by comparing the changes in the camera zoom quality and the photo quality or the videography. So stay tuned for the next video based on that. And then there's other things are there, time lapse. Okay, this time in my iPhone 12 there was for time lapse I could have only 1x or 0.5, but over here I can have up to 8x of time lapse. Slow-mo, okay, slow-mo also 8x. Cinematic 2x, but there was no cinematic in iPhone 12. Then portrait up to 4x. In my portrait, no x, only 1x. Okay, spatial is there. I haven't used spatial. I'll be trying this time for the first time in my life. And then panoramic, which I rarely use. Panoramic earlier I used to have 0.5 and 1x only, but now I have until 8x. Yeah, that's, I think that's all about the camera. There are a few more things they have added which I'll be you can see, right, aspect ratio things, and the complete design of the Apple camera application has been changed from iPhone 12 to iPhone 17. Then is a flash and all. Okay, but I think more or less will be similar. I'll just change the aspect ratio because I like the aspect ratio 16:9. It's asking me to do the add the Apple Plus coverage. I'll just ignore it for now. I don't need it right now. Then software update, there is a software update which I have to do it. So I'll be doing it later on. But since I bought it a new one, it's asking me to do that. There will be software update every time. I mean, in the new phone they usually have the software update. Okay, it's still checking. Let's move on. So each of the apps I'll be opening, and it will be okay, you can see the apps have been installed. I had a lot of few apps. I had a few apps offloaded in my previous phone. It's the same offloaded in my new phone as well, so I have to onload it. Apart from this, I think more or less same. This is a phone thing. Okay, so yeah, so guys, that's all about, I think guys, yeah, that's all about this video right now. The unboxing is done, the phone setup is more or less is done. I'll be setting up more things in the phone, but those are some personal stuffs. So yeah, stay tuned guys for the next video where I'll be showing you the camera, the photo quality, video quality, and the comparison from iPhone 12 to iPhone 17. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Hope you guys loved the unboxing video. So in case you guys have any doubt or any views on this video or on the iPhone, just let me know in comments. And if you guys love my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, see you guys in the next video.